Did you know there's an app on your phone that might be secretly scanning your private photos without you even knowing? In this video, I'll reveal what this hidden app is, why it's there, and exactly how to remove it if you don't want it. And stick around, because I'll also show you a universal trick that works on any Android phone. Let's start with what this mysterious app actually does. It scans images you send or receive, especially through messaging apps, looking specifically for sensitive or explicit content. If it detects nude or pornographic images, it automatically blurs them and asks if you want to view them. Now here's where people are really upset. This app was installed without any warning. No notification, no permission asked, it just appeared on Android phones. You won't even find an icon for it in your app list. So how do you find it and remove it? Follow these steps. 1. Open the Google Play Store. 2. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. 3. Scroll down and select Help and Feedback. 4. In the search bar, type Delete. 5. Tap on Delete Apps on your Android device. 6. Then select the link to go to Application Settings. This method works across all Android phones, no matter the brand. Now in your app list, use the search bar and type Android. Look for Android System Intelligence or Android System Safety Core. Tap it, then tap Permissions. In the top right, tap the 3 dots and select All Permissions. You'll notice it actually does have access to network features, which it uses to scan incoming and outgoing images. If you're not comfortable with that, go back and simply tap Uninstall, then confirm by tapping OK. Bonus tip. Here's the kicker. Even if this app says it has no permissions, digging deeper reveals it can still monitor activity using your network. That's why it's crucial to check permissions the way I showed. Most users never even see this layer. Were you surprised to find out this was already on your phone? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss other important Android tips. Thanks for watching, and a big shout out to the awesome supporters of this channel. Catch you in the next video.